Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel with another video. Don't forget to like. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click notification for future videos. Here we have another car from Hot Wheels Premium Series. Now, let's let it loose. This is a model from Hot Wheels Car Culture, Modern Classics Assortment. Volkswagen Jetta. Let's see some close-up. Side view. Back view. Front view. Base. And that's all for now. Click link to our channel for more video. Thank you for watching.